Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I quickly wanted to show you an invitation to create that I've just made up for my kids right now. As you know, Lyric is 4, Maya is 21 months. So it's a little bit different, but I just quickly wanted to show you. So basically the way I usually do invitations to create or invitations to play, usually they're themed. This time it's not like a specific theme, but sometimes I'll do them based on specific themes. And the reason I do that is because I really pay close attention to the things that Lyric is asking, the things that she's interested in. Same thing with Maya. Maya can't talk that much, but I can still pay attention to the things that she's interested in. And then I base the invitations to create or invitations to play around those things, because what ends up happening is usually your child will learn more because they're interested in that topic, or they're interested in the things that they've asked you about, and now they have an opportunity to actually explore those things. So hopefully that makes sense. But today's will be more just kind of like, I don't know, open-ended. I mean, they're all open-ended, but like open-ended, there's no theme. They can just, you know, create and do pretty much whatever they want. There is no end goal with this. There's nothing specific that I'm looking for. It's just an invitation to create. It's a really good way if you are really like trying to get some time to yourself. You know, all moms need that. Especially stay-at-home moms or stay-at-home parents really need some time to themselves, just to, you know, decompress, have a glass of, you know, wine, have a cup of coffee, some tea, whatever it is you drink. You know, this is a good way if you want just a little bit of time. My kids really love invitations to create and or invitations to play. So this is an opportunity for me to get, you know, do the dishes, make some dinner or whatever. But I want to quickly show you guys and see what you think. If you like these kind of videos, please comment down below. I will do more of these just to give you guys some ideas. So let me show you. Okay, so here is just a cardboard from a pizza that we, you know, got at Ralph's or whatever. For Lyric, I got just some dried black beans. This is from old tape. Wine corks. Believe me, I save everything and everything gets used. So some wooden little squares, some stars, some googly eyes, some beer bottle tops, flowers, pom-poms, burlap. We use a lot of burlap here for a lot of different reasons. I can do a video if you guys want on how we use burlap, but this is one way we use. Some ribbon, more ribbon, some shells we collected, some buttons, some more buttons, some rocks, yeah, and some markers, some glue, and some colored pencils. Another thing you could do is you can cut shapes out of burlap, and that's a lot of fun for them to be able to glue and stuff. We have for Maya, she's only 21 months, and she may not use all of this stuff, but she just likes to do it just like with her sister. So she likes to sit next to her sister, and some of this, she actually has a really good, she can basically pick up things really well. So, and she's learned probably from watching her sister do things. Anyways, I got some beans, some burlap here, some buttons, some sparkle, some pom-poms, and some colored pencils. And I know what some of you guys might be thinking, oh no, she's only 21 months. You know, this is a choking hazard, choking hazard, choking hazard. So, oh, I got some rocks here, a wine cork and a leaf. Choking hazard. That's probably what a lot of you guys are thinking. But she is being monitored. You know, I'm here sitting with her. I also just added some of this. This is from a bag of sweet potatoes from Trader Joe's. I know some people are probably thinking like, what would you put that? Like, how is that art, or how is that something that kids will want to play with? But it's the process of art. It's not the end goal. It's the process. It's what they're learning, what they're experiencing. You know, she might glue it. She might just touch it.